Here's a deck that we just finished in Easton, Massachusetts. On this deck, it measures 32 foot long by 12 feet out from the house. There was an original deck here that we stripped. And we ended up having to replace a lot of the joists. We used a Trex dry space system, which allowed us to have an entertainment space on the underside of the deck. We framed in a new staircase here. Just right in front of the beam, we have a gutter that we have enclosed where the water from the dry space system goes into, and it comes out in a gutter downspout right here. We also added in soffit panels with lighting. We ended up getting an engineered beam made out of pressure treated right here, so the customer could have a wider opening for entertaining. We also added a drink rail. We did this deck transition right here, so we didn't have continuous joints. Decking is dripped wood by TimberTech. Rails are AZEK with post island caps. We also returned the ends on the decking on the stairs. We also closed in the other side of the stairs, as you see. So for your next deck project, please call Neary Construction, 617-708-5355. Thank you.